Hi, it's Andy here at Photech Video. One of the biggest problems for content creators is unwanted ambient or background noise in the audio which we record. Our mics pick up every sound, the whir from the fan on our studio lights, a noise from another room or outside in the street, the traffic, the echo produced in the studio, and a whole host of other unwanted background and ambient noise. It doesn't matter where you are or which microphone you're using, you will always get unwanted ambient noise. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can make all that unwanted ambient noise disappear with just one click. So, if you want your audio to go from this to this with just one click, then stick around. Very often we find that there is background or ambient noise which we don't want in our audio recordings. It may be traffic, it may be an echo, it may be sound from another room, but whatever it is, it makes our audio sound not as good as we want it to. And it can make our voice difficult to hear or understand. Or maybe sometimes we want to record a vlog, but we don't have our external mic with us. Maybe it's raining outside, like it is right at this moment, and you want to make your vlog in the street, but you don't want to damage your external microphone. And so maybe you use an action cam which is waterproof in itself and use the internal microphones. Or maybe your camera is not weather sealed. Maybe you just haven't got an external microphone and therefore you need to use the built-in internal microphone in your camera or in your smartphone. But you don't want to have that far away echoey sound to your audio. I'm using this tool on the audio which you are listening to right now because in this small studio I have a very low ceiling and my wireless mic picks up all the echo and the fan noise from my video lights. So what is this one-click noise reduction audio tool which I'm using right now, and where can you find it? Well, it's called the voice isolation tool and it's in DaVinci Resolve in the studio version, which is the paid version. I'm actually using the latest version 19. DaVinci Resolve offers an enormous number of excellent tools in its free version. However, some of the latest and best features, which are driven by DaVinci Resolve's AI neural engines, are only available in the Studio paid version. Upgrading from the free version to the paid Studio version was a no-brainer for me, as I found an excellent offer on the DaVinci Resolve Speed Editor, which was bundled with the license for DaVinci Resolve Studio and is valid for 2 computers. Listen to these 2 clips of how the DaVinci Resolve voice isolation tool cancels out all of the background and ambient noise in these 2 clips, which were recorded on the DJI Osmo Action 3 and the DJI Osmo Action 4 using their built-in internal microphones. This is the Osmo Action 3 using the built-in mics, and this is without the voice isolation tool, and this is with the voice isolation tool. And this is the Osmo Action 4, again using the built-in mics. This is without the noise isolation tool, and this is with the noise isolation tool. Pretty impressive, no? Now, as I said, I recorded these clips on the DJI Osmo Action 3 and the DJI Osmo Action 4. However, the DaVinci Resolve voice isolation tool works on all audio clips recorded on whichever microphone you decide to use. For the sake of this video, I've left the voice isolation tool at 100%, which completely cancels out all of the background and ambient noise. And considering it's on 100%, it doesn't sound that robotish. And this is with the voice isolation tool. In a normal situation, I would play about with the amount slider to allow some of the ambient or background noise back into the audio clip without allowing it to interfere with my voice, and like that, giving the complete audio track a more authentic sound. Okay, so here we are again then on the Osmo Action 4, and we're going to apply different slider controls on the amount of the voice isolation tool. So this is with no voice isolation tool applied, so 0%. This is at 75% of voice isolation. This is at 50% of voice isolation. And this is at 25% of voice isolation. And now this is again with 0% with no voice isolation tool applied. So decide for yourself. You can allow the amount of ambient and background noise that you want into your audio clip, and you can cancel out exactly what you don't want. So there you go. That is the DaVinci Resolve voice isolation tool in the paid studio version. Mine, remember, is studio version 19. As always, you'll find affiliate links to all the gear used in the making of this video in the description section down below. If you do decide to purchase something through one of my affiliate links, the price to you will be the same, and I will receive a small commission which will help me to continue creating content for you here on this channel. If you liked this video and found it interesting or useful, please click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and ring on that notification bell to be notified every time a new video drops on my channel. So until the next time, this is Andy at Photech Video signing off. Take care and be safe.